Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me something, they're trying to do this, and they've come up with this, and they're trying to do it in a 3D, and this is going to show how to rotate a contour. So he made this shape, and he just wants this cross-section, so he fills it in. I fill it in with blue, it doesn't really matter. Then we can take this and just nudge it over out of the way, nudge that back, and it's still in the center of the page. Then we can left click and right click. And then he's going to go to effects and contour. He's going to contour to the inside 0.001 in a gray, and you get that. Now, the problem he's having is he cannot move the contour to the center of the page to rotate it. It just keeps going back. That's because it's a contour. I don't care where you put this, it's not going to work. So what you need to do, two ways you could do it. You could turn it into a bitmap, but I would suggest doing that later. Go to Object, break the contour apart. Select it all again, go to Object and Group. And now, when you set your center rotation, it's in the center. Then he can rotate, I think he did 20 degrees. Okay, I didn't duplicate it, so Control D. And now go to 0. It's going to go backwards. And then just keep controlling D. This will be a really cool, I might even try this, 3D effect, especially if you do something with the inside, because that's going to be, when you run this, I don't know if all lasers have a 3D drive on their computer, or Epilogue has under Advanced has a 3D, and then you could even go further and fill in this shape and do something 3D with it. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.